Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Windows 10 device. So if you have issues with your Windows 10 device, like for example, if it crashes, you get blue screen, or you get virus and you want to be able to reset your Windows 10. So in order to do that, you can click on the Start menu here and click on Settings. Once you're in setting, you want to scroll down to updates security. Click on recovery on the left pane. Recovery, reset this PC. You want to click on get started. So there are two options to choose. One is to keep my files. The second option is remove everything. To keep my files, it's going to remove all the apps that you install on your device, but it's going to keep all your personal files that you save to your hard drive, like data, documents, or even anything that is not related to the operating system, pictures, etc. Remove everything. It's going to wipe everything. It's going to reset to the manufacturer settings. So now let's go ahead and click on remove everything. Current settings, just remove your file. This is quicker but less secure. So there's you can go back and change the settings. Let's see if I can change the settings. Just remove your file. This is a quick but less. Let's turn that off. So let's go back here. Now I'm ready to reset the PC. I'm going to click next. So the process will take about 10 to 20 minutes. It's depend on the speed of your computer. Ready to reset this PC. So it's going to tell you here, reset will remove all personal files. So when you're ready, go ahead and click on reset. So that's it. It's going to finish resetting and it's going to reboot. That's how you reset your computer to the factory reset. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.